Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creation. Hi guys, just a short little video to show you what I've been working on. Still going through some major tests. I had one yesterday that lasted, I was at the hospital for 5 hours for that test. And then I've got another one coming up on the 19th. Hopefully, I will get some relief soon. This has been a very long process, and I really want to thank those that have reached out to me. And I want to thank Carrie, because she's been by my side through it all. So, anyway, all that to say, here are just a few of the things that I've been working on in between all my doctor's appointments and stuff. Sorry for the crazy background, but I am in a different location in the shed than normal. So here we go. Here are two of the newest cups that are on the turner. They've got the first coat of epoxy. This first one was hydro dipped. And this one back here was just painted purple with the glitter. Now when I do the glitter, I've got to sand it down to make it smooth. But here is one of the cups that I made. Actually keeping this one for myself because it has a tiny flaw right here. And it's actually under the water slide, so I can't sand that out. So I'm actually going to keep that one myself. And here are two other ones that I have made. Hey y'all, because you know I always say that. I really like how this one came out. Kind of like the grain woody effect. And of course, with Halloween coming up, I had to do this one. And I'll just turn this to show you how awesome that turned out. Yeah. And I've got a few other things that I've been crocheting. Like I said, I'm getting ready for the market, so I'll be having my tumblers. I will also be putting these in my Etsy shop. So
1, 2, Freddy's coming for you. 3, 4, better lock your door. 5, 6, grab your crucifix. 7, 8, gonna stay up late.
anyway, guys, that's what I've been up to. Just wanted to give everybody a little update. So yeah. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crocheting. Bye. Thanks for joining us on the Lopsided Crafter. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button. We really, truly appreciate it. Until next time, happy knitting, happy looming, and happy crocheting. Bye.